And squeeze the top portion of the back of your arm. Your pecs, squeezing where your armpit meets your chest. So now elbows pull behind, push. And you're immediately going to feel this in this area here, almost like when you're doing a pretzel exercise. So pivoting on your toes, pushing that knee up to the ceiling, up and down. Keep this knee in line with your hip. So don't let it come forward like this. Rotating. Up, pushing the hips to the ceiling. Then come down and reach for the foot. Together, up, 2, 3, 4, down in front, 2. Hold a bit of a plie in your supporting leg. Hold it up, squeeze your glute, 2, 1. Straight leg. If you want to include your upper abs in this, if you want to reach down, you can. In full plank. Elbow plank. Big stretched out legs. It's wobbly, people. Up onto the toes. All right, let's try. Up onto the toe. Up onto the toe. Or do a few low. So twist through the waist and reach up, pull your elbow down. Start wobbling. And remember, wobbling is good. I'm not coming out of it. And I'm just lifting that heel. Pulling. Really squeeze that ball. So find that right positioning where you're fully pushing up. You should be starting to feel some fire there now, right? If you're using a heavy enough weight. Now you are rolling slightly back on the media part of your glute and extend. Minis on the move. Come up, pull behind. Sit back, but if you can, push up. Sit back. Both arms behind. Push yourself up. Grab that leg. Flat foot, squat, tippy toe, straighten up. Then down and down. Okay, don't bend through the knees. Overhead, in front, lunge, push up. Kneel, stay low squat, push up overhead, arm down. Kneel. And try not to look around the room. You definitely. and down, slow and controlled. Up and down. There you go. It really wants to. Anytime you bring the knee up, think of you. So opposite hand to opposite leg. Try not to roll back, and of course if you've got a longer body, you're going to have to keep your arm off.